how to change backup Google Drive account on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change it easy and quick. First open a Truecaller and then click on your profile, then click the settings icon in the top corner. Now just scroll down until you find backup, click on it, then just click backup, just click Google Drive account, click on it and click change, and after change just select any account you want and it will be changed. Just go back, and I hope that can help you to fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.